Should we do one whole video or what?
Maybe we can break them into...
This should be its own separate one.
Yeah, then do that first then.
Oh, that's
You don't want to save it for last?
I mean, it doesn't matter. We can upload it last.
That's not the one from Lazy. The one from Lazy I gave to my best friend Mike.
Where'd you get this? eBay?
Yeah.
Let's get some eBay mojo.
Yeah.
Thanks, Randy.
Lazy.
Nicest guy in the world.
And Mike got like Steamboat Auto, San Martino Auto,
that one's
Jericho shirt relic.
Wow.
Or belt relic, whatever.
This is my first ever time opening this.
So,
yeah,
hit on
get these out of the way so I can see.
I'll move this out of the way here.
Oh, I don't have my keys on me.
I hate this.
Nope.
My truck key and my house key, so one of them might work.
There we go.
One of them might work.
Alright, first mini box. 2 hits per mini box. So hopefully the relic's in the first one, or there is no relic.
Hopefully it's better than Lazy's NXT boxes. Oh, those were awful.
Oh, you don't like Buddy Murphy and Sawyer Fulton autos?
He did hit a Samoa Joe, but...
Alright, Magnum TA. Ricky Steamboat. Berserker. Lex Luger. Papa Shango. Nothing.
Nothing. I forgot, it's 2 hits per mini box.
Yeah, I opened a bunch of packs and I was like, I thought it was a hit per pack. I'm not getting anything.
Bronze Dusty Rhodes. Alright. Nothing yet. Saving it. Saving them for last. Are they backwards in this? Do you remember?
I don't think so. Get different angles.
Boogeyman bronze.
Let's go.
First ever 360 degree card break.
Oh, man.
Alright, here's the relic. Might be an autograph plate. It's pretty thick.
Ooh. I'm dizzy now.
The Goon. Not sure how that's a legend.
Oh, that's...
Dory Funk Jr. It's they are backwards.
Yeah.
Ooh, Bret Hart Championship plate auto to 50.
All right. Not bad at all.
39 of 50.
Yeah, that was the other one Mike got. He got a Bret Hart auto.
That was like your box he got you. It was the best hit was the auto
Ric
plate.
Flair, yeah.
Mike likes only like
Randy bought that from me, so he basically bought himself the box.
Yeah. My Charlotte card too.
Oh yeah.
Warlord bronze. Not sure how he's a legend.
It looked like Austin for a minute there.
All right, should be a hit in this pack.
Oh, I got dizzy from that.
Wow. There it
Booker
is.
Thomas.
D'Lo Brown, not Devon Dudley. Oh, it is Booker Thomas. He called that.
Well, you had a regular
that's
one.
a terrible picture of Booker.
Yeah, weird.
Wow, that's one.
94 of 199. That's not terrible though. At least he's an actual legend.
That's right.
All over that shirt.
That's right. He was a tough enough.
Chocolate stains all over.
Tough enough.
I don't know what that's from.
That's right. He was tough enough trainer. That's right. Austin.
All right, first mini box done.
Where did you find this Revolution box?
eBay.
They sell them on. I think
The
Blowout.
women's division was very high, and I was like, screw this.
Blowout Cards has this, the next year's, and the NXT Mini.
NXT minis are on sale now.
Yeah.
Yeah, man. Check Target, see if they restock.
Alright, it probably won't top a Bret Hart and a Booker T. We'll probably get like a...
Where's the Toys R Us around here?
Right down the road.
Because we saw the guy holding the sign.
Yeah, we'll have to check it out. It's right down the road.
Alright, we can go to Target and then that after.
Walmart.
Oh, here's an auto.
And Shamrock.
Ooh!
What?
Dual autograph,
Oh my!
Triple H and Stephanie.
Wow.
Oh my!
Randy. You know how to pick them. 5 of 5.
Holy shit.
Wow! Dude, that is awesome.
Thank you. Give me a hug.
Wow!
That one was from eBay or Lazy?
eBay.
eBay. Lazy I gave to Mike.
Holy shit. I don't think it topped the Booker T auto, but...
Mike let me go over his house to watch WrestleMania with him, so I gave him 2
Wow, he let you watch WrestleMania and you gave him a box?
Ooh,
like the best
a red
friend
Harley race. 1 of 1. How you like that,
Oh,
Hova?
wow.
Who's this seller?
Wow.
1 of 1. Hova. That's his boy.
Man,
Harley-
I have to get another
yeah,
box
right.
for that guy. Wow.
The last hit might be a relic, but... Oh, nope, another autograph. What a box.
You didn't get a relic?
No. Should I save it?
No.
Doesn't matter.
Might be an extra hit. I'm pretty sure that some of them have 5.
Yeah, you could have got Dick.
Who's that? Rob Van Dam?
Michaels.
Shawn Michaels!
Shawn Michaels.
50
Wow.
of 50. Oh my
That's
For
god.
the hair, I'm like,
the best
for
one of
the
these
hair,
I've
so I'm
seen.
like,
Oh my god. 50
Wow.
of 50.
Hit him. Dude, this is a heck of a box, man. Wow. Hell of a box.
Not a bad hit.
Man. Sorry, BTB.
Wow, 2 Harley races in that one. Collecting the rainbow.
Yeah, sorry, BTB.
Unreal. Should have brought sleeves with me. Maybe they'll have some at the.
They have like, I think it's just this one. No, it's like at Toyable. It's not like the full like.
Oh, the mini boxes.
Yeah, just the mini
I
box.
just need to buy sleeves now. Thank you.
Lazy, I think that means you owe me a hobby box.
That is the best box of this I've ever seen.
Wow.